Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to do a quick tutorial. So the tutorial, you will see a speed up video after I'm done talking with my design team project. This is for Creative Scrap Designs, and this palette is in their store, and I will put the links below so you can go to the store and link. They also have monthly kits as far as I know, and you can have those kits in the group, and you can visit the store and find a good huge collection with chipboard pieces, various shapes and sizes and stuff, and things. Sorry, and what else? This actually is an album. It's in a palette shape. It comes with 4 pages. It's chipboard, and it also comes with 2 rings, paint, tube paint, a brush, and the word out. So it comes with 4 pages and all this in the package. So I will make a mixed media project using one of the palettes. I won't make an album because it will be to my dimension. So I can have it as a, to hang it on wall, for example. But you can make an album or whatever you wish. It's completely up to you and your imaginations, and the sky is the limit. And Creative Scrap Designs has many designs for you to choose, and you can also ask them if they can make for you something specific that you want, some design that you want, a board that you want, or something. It's completely up to you, and I will be using also this piece. It's a flourish hearts. This is a project that was for the October kit, but this was not in the October kit, not in the October package. Anyway, I will put all the links to the group and to the store so you can go have a look for yourself and see what you like. She has good prices and good variety of collections, and many products also. You can find paper, tools, laces, junk journal stuff, mixed media stuff. So I will put the links. So thank you for watching. From now I will start making the project, and the only thing that you might not see, I will probably not do, I don't know if I will do it on camera or not, is that I have just added primer gesso to my palette. That's the only thing I have done so far, nothing else. So I don't know if I put that on camera or not. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you can get notifications. Don't forget to visit the links that I will post below and also the subscription box. And I hope you like what you see. It won't be something much, I'm not going to do that. So thank you. Well, I'm done with it, and I finished it. And let me explain a bit what I did. I put my homemade gesso as a primer and cover my surface. Then I took from Creative Scraps Designs. As I told you, this is one of the palettes that comes in a set of 4 that you can make as an album. So what I actually did, I make one of them. I put some book pages just for some interest, even though I covered them, but also because I wanted to cover the holes over there. So I did that, primer my page. Then I take the embellishments from the kit, the brush over here, there's a brush, and the word art. And I have to do something for that word to pop out, because it's really not popping out as it should. So what else I did? I put a stencil that was given to me from Patricia Pates, and put the stencil around my palette. I'm just putting some white here because we want our art to be more popping out as word. And as I was telling you, I used two of the embellishments of the kit, of the album, that is the word art and the brush. There is also another embellishment that is a tube, a paint tube. I didn't use that. I also did the stencil. I put a piece of cheesecloth underneath and a piece of lace cut in 2 stripes here. It's this one. Then I did some metal embellishments and put it here and there, and this is actually a metal butterfly and an embossed butterfly, and I put the key as the body of the butterfly, some small keys here and there, and I put some metal, how do I say it? I found a box and it was these things, and they're actually for, you know, the jeans and stuff, and the person that had them didn't throw the box because he didn't have the other part that goes there. So I put those for dimension. I also put some animal dots, I think they call them, that I made. I DIY them. It's with silicone glue. So I put those in various places. And then I use these liquarels. It's opalines, it's called here in Greece. It's actually a watercolor type of paint. And I use the ochre and oh gosh, my brain. Oh, the other thing I did, I forgot to tell you, that's why I have a gap, it's that I use this mica powders I have in this tube. It was given to me by Grace, some mica powders. So I put the mica powders in the tubes with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So I sprayed them and I got the blue, and then I used the opalines to make the yellow and the ochre. And I did some splatters with black opaline, and then I used the Inca Gold in turquoise, it's turquoise, and in platinum to make some highlights. So that's what I did for this project. So this is, we have this result. It's dark here, so you can see actually in the light, with the light I have, it shows weird because it's dark and I have 2 lights. It's very dimensional, as you can see. And I will put photos, so oh, here it is. It's actually way more blue and green that you see on the screen. In the screen it shows very, let's see if I close one light. In the screen it shows very yellow. No, now it looks brown. And with this one, nope, it still looks weird. Now we'll have to find a way to make my word art pop up more, because I don't like how it's lost over there. Anyway, we'll see. No, I don't like it. Anyway, so this is my design team project for Creative Scraps Design, and it's my third design team project, and I will put all the links below so you can go and have a look and join her group and visit the store and see what you like, and you know. Thank you for watching, thank you for stopping by. Hugs and kisses, we'll speak soon.